the mortgage settlement. And look, there's no doubt that this is a good thing for America. Psychologically, we've got to get past the real estate housing collapse, and we got to remove a lot of the uncertainty in the economy, and this does that. And we are a nation of laws, and after all, the banks did break the law, even if you see it like I see it as largely a technical violation. But let's not kid ourselves that this settlement is something to be proud of. What it is, in essence, is a bunch of banks that the U.S. taxpayers bailed out, in effect making payments to other people who couldn't pay their mortgages and had their houses foreclosed on. At the end of the day, what it comes down to, if you're a good neighbor, if you are someone who stayed current on their loan, if you always pay your taxes, if you may be underwater on your equity, at the end of the day, you know, the guy, the deadbeat down the street who maybe hasn't paid rent on his home and under foreclosure, you're in effect going to be paying that guy money. That's the way it works. Now, one of these days, and hopefully soon, this nation will wake up and we will reward upstanding behavior by our citizens instead of punishing it. But unfortunately, you may have to wait a few years for that. We are still a nation that has forgotten self-reliance. We are still a nation that is committed to quote-unquote shared sacrifice. And those of you who are actually responsible, well, you'll be the ones who are sacrificed in the sharing. I'm Evan Newmark from Mean Street. Simon Constable at 4. We'll see you tomorrow.